In this lecture, we are going to see domain SEO visibility. To explain what is domain SEO visibility, let me show you with an example. In this Google search page, I have searched for the keyword WordPress website. The first result is an ad. So let's skip that and move on to the first organic search result, which belongs to the domain wordpress.com. The second result is from WordPress.org. Only the fifth or sixth result is from SiteGround.com. So, even if SiteGround.com optimizes its page or post for WordPress website keyword, the chances of appearing in the first search result is very less. This is because of domain SEO visibility. For example, this is one of the famous websites writing PC hardware reviews, news, gadgets, etc. But with more and more people searching for the term CNET plus some keywords in Google search, such as CNET Intel processor reviews, It increases the domain SEO visibility score or domain authority score for that particular domain. That in turn increases the ranking of CNET website for keywords such as Intel processor reviews. So now you could have understood what is the meaning of domain SEO visibility or domain authority. In the next lecture, let's see about keyword in the domain name.